Hello guys, welcome to my channel Makeovers by Nishi, your personal makeover partner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Today in this video, I will show you how to color your lips pink with beetroot. You want pink pouty lips? So you step out and buy everything that guarantees to help you achieve that. Lip balms, lip scrubs and tints. You splurge on everything. You glance at the long list of chemicals that go into making them, but you ignore it because you want pink lips. If you are tired of chemical-ridden products that promise you the perfect pink pout but fail to deliver results, try this super effective DIY instead. The star of this DIY is beetroot. Anyone who has handled a beetroot knows that they stain everything they come into contact with. So it makes sense to fashion a lip product out of it. Beetroot lends your lips a gorgeous pink tint and at the same time clears up lip pigmentation. It's all natural, chemical-free and inexpensive. This is lip makeup at its absolute best. Want to learn how to use it? Watch this full video. Products required to make this DIY are a medium-sized beetroot, Vaseline petroleum jelly, coconut oil, food processor is optional, and a small empty container. This is how to prepare it. Start by washing the beetroot thoroughly with water. Then peel the outer layer off. Cut the beetroot into small pieces and then grind the beetroot completely till there is a visible watery residue. Make sure that do not add water to the beetroot as it will dilute the vibrancy of the color. Now, carefully strain the juice of the grated beetroot and make sure that no bits and pieces make their way into it. Transfer it immediately to a clean container to store it for future use. Here I have used an old Lakme aloe vera container to store the tint. The container or the jar that you are using has to be cleaned and sterilized. To make sure that the case is clean, wipe off any residual product that might be present. Wash it thoroughly and sterilize by rubbing alcohol. As I already told you, the products required for this are Vaseline petroleum jelly, coconut oil, the juice of beetroot and an empty container. Now shifting the juice into the container and then adding some Vaseline petroleum jelly, about 1 teaspoon, and add about a teaspoon of coconut oil to the beetroot tint. If you are looking for a sheer lip color, you can add a little more coconut oil. If you end up using less than a teaspoon of oil, then the formula of the lip tint will turn out to be dry and flaky on your lips. You can replace the coconut oil with honey or beeswax as they do an excellent job at moisturizing lips. Now mix all the products well together so that we can have a very smooth formula. You can see that I have mixed it well and my formula is ready. So now you can see the thick paste of the balm, and now it's time to store it. Now I will settle the product by dabbing the container on the shelf so that no bubbles in it. Now close the container and store it in refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to check the product. Let's have a test to check its tint. So I'm applying it on my backside of the hand. It's pretty smooth and look at its color. It will give you pink glossy tint. Apply your all-natural lip tint as often as possible and you can have softer, pinker lips in a week. It seems as though nature indeed has all the answers, so try this all-natural tint to stay beautiful and safe. Thank you guys.